Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Hi, igama lami Moyane Nkosi. I welcome you back to the new year. Compliments of the new season. I wish you all the best in this year. I wish you prosperity. I wish you love, happiness, and most of all, peace within your hearts. This year, make it worse. So konke nje izinto zihambe ngendlela zekwenzifisa ngakhona, and we back to work, back to the office yamakhehla, i-office yabogogo, office yabomkhulu. Sizoqhubeka senza amavidiyo wethu and sicela ukuthi zonke izinto bese ziyalunga, zihlangane ngenye indlela enifisa ngakhona. So now, spirituality, it's something truly extraordinary to each and every individual. Ngoba umuntu ophila phansi komthunzelanga unamadlozi, has each and every one nje ophila phansi komthunzelanga unamadlozi, and kwamele sihlezi si-acknowledge that thing ukuthi amadlozi akhona, amadlozi ayaphila. Understand? So today I'll be educating you about your spirits. Your spirits, where they are, why certain things happen within your life and within your dreams. You understand? Ways to understand your dreams as a spiritual person. You understand? As umuntu amadlozi, you have 3 souls that you need to know and that you need to acknowledge. You understand? Now, those 3 souls lies within the universe. Understand? So now the first 3 souls that you need to know as uphila, as you're still alive, you understand, is that your soul number 1, it's you yourself, because uyaphefumula, and it lies emhlabeni wakho la uphahla khona. Yangithola mos. That's where your soul starts. That's where you revive your soul. Understand? That's where you revive your spirit. Emhlabeni wakho, where you connect with the other souls. You understand what I'm saying? The other spirits. So what I'm trying to say here is that soul number 1, spirit number 1 lies within ikhaya lakini, la uzalelwe khona, emsamo wakho, la inkabi yakho ile khona. You understand what I'm saying? And then futhi ke khehla likagogo, soul number 2 lies at the mountain. Understand? Soul number 3 lies at Emfuleni. Understand? By understanding these 3 souls, you're gonna understand your whole life. You're gonna understand indlela zakho zokuphupha, ngoba your dreams mostly zenzakala uphakathi ekhaya, zenzakala uphakathi esigangeni, zenzakala uphakathi emanzini. You understand? So this is a puzzle as it is. I-puzzle yona qobo lwayo that you need to understand and that you need to complete as a human being while you're still alive. Understand? So it's so, like, it's so important in so many levels for you to understand that. So now, these 3 souls, they do connect, because of when you dream, uphupha like nje, uphupha into ezoyenzakala, or uzophupha into engakayenzakali, ekayenzakala before, or something like that. You understand? So now, by understanding that, you need to stay connected with these 3 souls. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So now, makhehla, those your first 3 souls start within the living. And then the second one lies, you do not see it, but you can feel it within your heart, within your soul, within your whole being. You understand what I'm saying? So now, iqala lapho ke khehla likagogo ke. So esihamba futhi on the other side, huwo umzimba wakho, ne? And then the other one is the star that hlezi uconnecta nazo. Each and every one of us, as siphila kanje, there's a point whereby maybe it's night and maybe sihlezi ngaphandle, and you're gonna uzobheka phezulu, kodwa nje uzobona like nje like itazi nje eziningi ehlukahlukene, but there's khona le ezohlezi icwebezela. You understand? Le ezohlezi uyibheke, that connects with you. Understand what I'm saying? So leyo istar lezi ohlezi usibhekile ebusuku simply means your other soul lies there. So that star that you see at night, that you connect with, It's a bridge to the other world. When I'm saying to the other world, I'm cool. Understand what I'm saying? The reason being you are able to dream ngawe is because of your other soul isaphila kwelinye ilizwe. By meaning elinye ilizwe, like nje umoya wakho ukhona phakathi komunye umhlaba wabogogo nabomkhulu, ngithola that's why ukwazi ukuziphupha, that's why ukwazi ukuzibona. So each and every single thing yakho uyenza ihamba kantathu, ngithola mos, so ihamba kayi-3. So now that's why ukwazi ukuziphupha uwenza into kanje, that's why ukwazi ukuziphupha while ulele kanje, uyakwazi ukuziphupha ukephi. Your other soul yenza lawo mabanga lawo for wena while sleeping, you understand? That's why ezinye izinto ukwazi ukuziphupha ziyenzakala. It's because of you are being prepared by your other soul ukuthi into ekanje izoyenzakala, yona umoya wakho omunye sowufikile lapho kushoda wona umzimba wakho uqobo lwakho. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So now it's very important for you to understand these three souls. It's a bridge for the other soul, and now umuntu ophila phansi komthunzelanga ukuthi ni connect at night, because it ihlezi yenzakala at night, you understand? So now when you see yourself in a dream, simply means ukuthi ke the other soul is busy while lo muntu ophila phansi komthunzelanga arestile. The other one wakes up and gets busy on your behalf, so your other half start being active. It's being activated while you go to rest. You understand? So that's why izinto uzozibona ziyenzakala, uzobona ukuthi kahle kahle late deja vu or something like that. No, your other soul started working for you so that uzokwazi ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani, inenzani. Ngithola mo. So now mawulele awulali nje vele uvele ufe nje. The other world wakes up and then starts working on your behalf. You need to understand that at all times. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So, istar leso connector now, it's a bridge between you and the other world. Understand what I'm trying to say? So now, konke lokho ke manje ziya-connecta from kubantu abaphila phansi komthunzelanga nabantu abangasekho. So ziyasebenzisana lezi zinto lezi. Now, umuntu sekashonile umbona ke-one, angithi sosuka soyidlusa. Umuntu makashonile ke manje, these other three souls get terminated and then they connect, iba into eyi-one ngale kulo mhlaba ongabona ilihlo eli-naked. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So ngale sokusuka ukuthi yonke imimoya yakhe seyihlangene seyindawonye. So maseyindawonye kanjalo ke lo muntu lo uzombona kanye, angeke sambona kayi-3, angeke sambona kayi-5, uzombona kanye ngoba the other souls lezi kade zikhona phansi komthunzelanga azisekho ngoba nalo muntu loku akasekho sekangale. So konke lokho sikuyahlangana. So wena njengoba usaphila kanje uzozibona emaphupheni wakho, uzozibona you are even able to see your death. You understand what I'm trying to say? Bakutshengisa ukuthi kuzoba kanje kahle, bakupreparela ezinye izinto and bakuvalela ezinye izinto ukuthi zingayenzakali ezimbi empilweni yakho. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So you need to understand those three souls as umuntu amadlozi. The next thing ngithanda ukuyisho ukuthi la understand the language. The most important thing emadlozi is language. Umuntu masekashonile, understand that. Umuntu mase kuyidlozi, the language changes. You understand? Akasakhulumi ngale ndlela le sikhuluma ngakhona. The language changes. The level of understanding changes. That's why you wanna think you are being attacked, whereas you're not attacked. The language le bayikhuluma it is as real as they come. Understand what I'm trying to say? That's why you need to understand language with the way bakhuluma ngakhona. For them, it's not vague. The dreams that you see, they are not vague. They're quite straight to the point for them. So njengoba thina in this day and age, we think ezinye izinto as understanding, ezinye izinto zi-vague and you think you are being attacked. No. They come by force ngendlela ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi wena awufuna ukubezwa. You not being attacked. baza ngendlela bona lawa ba-understanda ngakhona and the way bacabanga ukuthi wena uzo-understanda ngakhona ezinye izinto. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So now language is at most important ukuthi-ke manje u-understand ukuthi bazama ukuthini kuwe ngoba inkulumo yabo nenkulumo yethu ayisafani. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? There are certain things that that they are not allowed to show you, but they have ways of expressing it. Understand what I'm trying to say to you, my kids? So now you need to understand indlela lezi basebenza ngako and indlela lezi bakhuluma ngazo, because i-language is enye into nje ejulile kubona. So now for you to understand inkulumo yamakhehla, you need to understand yourself first. You need to understand those three souls first before you understand inkulumo yababa mkhulu ukuthi bathini, bafuna ukuthi wenzeni, bafuna ukwenza ngoba the way baza ngakhona straight ayikho nzima, like nje ayihlangahlangana. For them it's straight as it comes. You understand? You need to understand their language because they do understand our language. You understand what I'm saying to you? Because umuntu angaphila ngendlela ethize, let's say for instance umuntu bekanenzondo isikhathi aphila kodwa makafika ngale all that changes. If bekanenzondo enye ejulile ngale yashintsha kuba umunye umuntu othandayo ngoba sekawabonile ama-mistakes wakhe, seyabonile indlela bekade ayihamba namambonise ukuthi angene emndenini kwamele azihlambulule yena before azongena emndenini kube idlozi elihle. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So now that's why abantu abaningi baba namadlozi amabi ngoba la bantu bahamba bayashona bese babuya ngendlela ukuthi bafuna ukuthi kulungiselwa, ingakho baba namadlozi amabi, bafuna ukususa konke lokhu kade bakwenza ngesikhathi baphila. That's why ke manje baza ngendlela edida usathana. You understand? Edida nje wena qobo lwakho umuntu. So that's how umuntu uza ukuthi umuntu unelwane, umuntu unedlozi elibi. It's because of amjikisile loyo muntu loyo bathi buyelwa kwamele uyoshintsha imihambo yakho, ugeze ususe konke so that uzokwazi ukuthi ube idlozi elihle kulo mntwana wakho, kulo mndeni wakini. So na umuntu ke wena umuntu ashona, isimo sokuphila, isimo sokucabanga siyashintsha. Uyayithola into engisho? Kuba omunye umuntu, kuba nalendlela lezi kade azenza ziyashintsha. Ngithola that's why kuba abanye abantu mabayohlola bathi idlozi lakho ufuna ukuthi ulenzile ushone ngendlela ethize because of akakwazi ukungena phakathi emndenini because of into kade azenza lesikhathi asaphila. So it's very important for you to understand the language yamadlozi ukuthi bazama ukuthini kuwe and understand izinto lezi bakutshengisa zona as umuntu amadlozi. Understand what I'm trying to say? So I get this question kaningi ukuthi I feel punished. I don't know why amadlozi wami aza ngendlela rough kanje. I don't know, I don't understand why I feel like amadlozi wami awangithandi. You understand what I'm saying? It's because we do not understand the language. At first, but the pressure is going to be quite mild. Angeke ibe harsh, angeke ize ngendlela nje ethi usathana, izoza kahle, but now it escalates each and every single day because they think you do not understand. Bona baza ngendlela ukuthi manje you ignorant, bona baza ngendlela ukuthi you don't care, bona baza ngendlela ukuthi yazi lengane le no ayifuna ukuthatha umsebenzi wethu. Kanti no, you don't understand the way they speak their language because ilanguage yabo sesuke seyishintshile. That's why uzothola ezinye izinto ziba vague kulapha kuwena. You understand? So you need to prepare your mind and your heart so that you need to open your heart and your mind so that you can understand the way bakhuluma ngakhona. So now makhehla, for you to get there you need to understand inkulumo yakho nawo mawuphahla. Understand? You need to understand indawo lezi kumele uphahle kuzona. You understand? So now yilana uzoconnecta khona. So you are not being pressured. Into enzakalako lapha kuwena is that amadlozi bacanga ukuthi hayi awubanakile, you don't care about them. That's why bazoza ngomlilo, that's why bazoza ngendlela, that's why bazokushaya. You understand? So nabona mabeza lapha kuwena baza ngencondo yokuthi uzosiza and uzoyenza lento le sithi ayiyenze. Understand? When it's as escalator lento le susuka now manje base under pressure on the other side because time is running out. That's why it tends to ukuthi izinto ziyashika they going south. It's because of manje ke bona abaqondi abalaleli and nabo self ngale ba under pressure. You understand? They do feel pain nabo self. They do cry as in tears nabo self as much as ukhala. That's why your emotions they're gonna quite like nje zizoshintsha shintsha uzibuze ngabe kwenze njani whatever that oyifeelayo umuntu ophila phansi komthunzelanga nabo wena uzoyifeela times two because sowufilelela namanye imimoya ephakathi kuwena. You understand what I'm trying to say to you? So now for instance umuntu lesena ngushonile and you are quite close with that person, and I'm referring to the statement le eceda ukusho ukuthi manje umuntu masekashonile maseke yahambile nje phansi komuntu azo ziyasuka kulo mhlaba ziyela ngale naye. Understand? So umuntu lo uzombona kanye. So now let's say for instance namfihla izolo gister mawubani or nini, and then something mysterious happens and then usi umuntu ofana naye qobo lwakhe like uthi mawubheka ubona umuntu ofana naye straight and then that thing moves away. That simply means with that particular person at bye, you will never see me again, ngiyakududuza, I'm gone, and then usuzombona emaphupheni or you will never see that person ever again. So ningamangali mangiceda ukufihla abantu benu or your family members, your loved ones, bese usuke umbona estradini ubona umuntu ofana naye ceda ukumfihla nono. It simply means ukuthi ushaya salute and athi uyavalelisa, that's no more, uyakududuza enhlizweni yakho. You need to understand that. So now going back with manje amadlozi need to understand their language so that izinto zenu zizokwazi ukuthi ziconnect zihambiselane ngendlela efanelekile. So understand those three souls, understand the language yamadlozi so that izinto zakho zingabi complicated as they are, because each and every single thing oyenza uzoyifeela double. It's gonna be times by two, it's gonna be times by three. Your emotions, you're gonna be rebellious because of you do not understand their language and your spirits. Understand your spirits, understand ilanguage yamakhetha, inkosi izoba nawo. Uzosizakala nkosi yami, izinto zakho ziyovuleka, and you need to accept that you have a gift. You need to accept whatever you're going through and get help. Akubeni kuhle makhehla. We'll continue with educational videos. It's time to get back to work. Wish you love, peace, happiness, and prosperity. Most of all, your peace is most important, like in India. So now, sizosebenza. Please do subscribe on my channel so that if video ingakumisi, so that you can understand and get knowledge about your spirituality and who you are, because now sengizenza amavideo anjalo ukufundisa abantu ngobubona and their identity and their spirituality, so that how do you connect the two. Understand? So now do not be ignorant, get help, let's help each other, and let's move on, and umhlaba uzoba muhle. So now ngithi akubeni kuhle bogogo, akubeni kuhle bomkhulu, igama lami Moyane Nkosi. Asibenzeni. Please do subscribe on my channel, and if you have any questions you wanna comment and we shall speak. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Towards